Excellence. The small blade is made of carbon steel, which is more durable and has a longer lifespan for keeping its sharpness. It is only to be used by professionals and is effective for fading, dry shaving, close cutting, and outlining. Deep tooth. Steel blades feed more hair and can be used for details, close cutting, beards, and mustaches clean cutting. Original replacement blades. For the Andis T-outliner, model D-8, Lee trimmer, cordless and corded are available. Easy 0% gap. It is specifically designed for any barber or hair professional to easily trim long or short hair with a 0% gap, allowing them to create complex hair and beard styles. Installation. T-blades are easy to install. Simply remove the old blade, brush out any hair or debris from the trimmer, and reassemble the new replacement blade in the same manner. Top reviews from the United States. Typical Andis blade works just fine for most users. This was the correct blade for my needs as identified in the description. Since my customers expect more than factory finish on blades, I ran them through my process and installed them on the customer's driver. As with any Andis blade, you can't match the quality for the prices. With that said, there are many good quality blades out there that do their job just as well, but some tend to cost a little more and some a little less.